Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Accelerace, and welcome back to Tesla's Cube. A fellow Hot Wheels YouTuber and friend of the channel, SkizziBenz, sent me this package in the mail today. I had no idea what it was until I opened it up, and there was a note on the inside. And that note reads, "Hi Reese, you might be wondering what is in this box. Well, you have been chosen to participate in my new challenge, the SkizziBenz Keep 5, Cut 5 Challenge. Here are the rules. Open the first car that has a number 1 written on it. Decide if you will keep or cut. Repeat until you have chosen 5 cars to keep. Do not open the next car until you have made a choice on the previous car. To spread the love of the hobby, please give the cars that you cut away to friends, kids, family, coworkers, donate, etc. Thank you for playing, Benny." Well, thank you for sending this my way, SkizziBenz, for this fun little challenge. So I guess there's 10 cars in here. If there's 5 I need to cut and 5 I need to keep. But I have to open them in order. So I risk if I cut a car or if I keep a car, you know, that's 5 slots for keep, 5 slots for cut. So it's a little bit of risk and reward. I'm a little scared. I know SkizziBenz has been talking about, he's been offloading a lot of stuff in his collection lately, trying to downsize. And this is a really creative way to get rid of some stuff, Skizzy. So thank you for letting me participate in your little challenge. This is really cool. I know the lighting looks a little crappy. We've got a double camera set up here. You know, we got the parking lot. Here's a drone ratified just for when I was testing the shots to make sure it looked good. I've only got 2 lights up, but that should do fine, right? Just to get a nice close-up of the car so you can see what we're looking at. So we're gonna start with number 1, and we're gonna see if we're gonna keep or cut. I really hope I don't get screwed on this one. Stop. Read note first. That's what prompted me to stop opening this package and just set the cameras up and make some content out of this. Thanks, Skizzy. Everything is content. Okay, so all the cars are in here and they're all numbered. All right, car number 1 is, oh, it's a Hot Rod Magazine Purple Passion. Oh my God. I've been looking for one of these. I want one of these. There could be something, that's the thing. There could be something better in here that I might, you know, if I keep this, then like the last car is like an accelerator, then I'm cooked, right? So what do I do? Oh man, this is a hard one. You got me, Skizzy, you got me. All right, you know what? Number 1, I'm going to keep. We're going to keep the Purple Passion. Number 2. Oh my God. You're really gonna do this to me, Skizzy? All right. We have a Bone Shaker in Spectra Flame with white wall 5 SPs. Indeed, it is a Hot Wheels Classics Bone Shaker in this nice Spectra Flame. I don't know what they would call it. Let me look at the wiki, maybe it'll tell me.
A few moments later.
The wiki says Spectra Flame Olive. So yeah, I'm not a redline guy, as you can tell. I don't know all the Spectra Flame colors. But oh my gosh, that's such a beautiful Bone Shaker. This is hard. You really gotta put me on the spot like this, huh? You know what? I have too many Bone Shakers. I'm gonna cut this one. I'm gonna cut the Bone Shaker. I'm gonna take a risk here. So on the parking lot, we got our keep side and our cut side. All right, car number 3 is, it is a multi-pack exclusive yellow Slingshot. I already have 2 of these, so I'm gonna have to cut it, obviously. Now I wish I should have kept the Bone Shaker. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew I'd take a risk and cut the Bone Shaker and then get something that either I already have or is, you know, not of my interest. Man, all right, this is tough. This is tough, Skizzy. Put me in a tough spot, but it's good for content. It's entertaining, isn't it? So Slingshot is there in the cut lot. Car number 4 is, all right, we have a Road Rocket. This is a 1998 Treasure Hunt Road Rocket. I do not have one of these. Very cool release. God, this is so tempting. I'm so tempted to keep this one. Because it's like a treasure hunt, right? And I don't have a lot of Road Rockets in my collection, to be completely honest with you. It's got a nice chrome body. TH98 on the side. Hot Wheels logo on there. Of course, you know Road Rocket, the canopy opens. Dang, that's a hard one. We're gonna keep the Road Rocket. I'm going to keep the Road Rocket. Don't wanna make the same mistake again that I made with the Bone Shaker. And now we're gonna move on to car number 5. Car number 5 is, interesting. It's got that SkizziBenz smell. GT Racer from the 2001 mainline. Very cool. I like this one a lot. Very nice paint job. Love the graphics with the tampos. I don't have many samples of the GT Racer. I have like maybe 1 or 2. This one's really nice. I love the 5 dots. Of course, that nice Hot Wheels blue. Not big on the piss windows, but that's a nice one. Metal on metal, metal body, metal base. Dang, that's a nice release. All the cars so far have been bangers. So he really made this difficult for me. I'm gonna put GT Racer in the cut lot. Very hard decision to make. I'm thinking maybe there's something cooler in here. We still got 5 cars to go, so we're halfway through. We do have to cut 2 more cars, and we have to keep 3 more cars. So hopefully this goes well. We're gonna open car number 6. Number 6 is, okay, the 2015 Star Wars Prototype H24. This is gonna be an easy cut. I do not like these licensed brand Synergy cars where they just slap, I mean, it's not a bad deco. I'm just really not like that big of a Star Wars fan, and I hate Trap 5 wheels. Good casting though, Prototype H24, but yeah, I don't know, I don't really need this version. Like when I'm doing my Hot Wheels Originals reviews, these are usually the releases I skip over. So I just don't really have a use for it. That's gonna go in the cut parking lot. And we only got 1 more spot to be cut and 3 more cars to be kept. So I'm really saving my keeps here. Skizzy, I swear to God, if the last couple cars are junk, I'm gonna be so mad. Don't troll me like this, Benny. All right, car number 7. Oh, no. It's a car I already have, that's the problem. It's a 24/7, 2023 mystery models. This is a car I already have. I only have 1 sample of it, but I just don't really need another one. So I'm gonna have to put it in the cut slot. I probably should have kept the GT Racer. And that's all 5 cars that I'm not keeping. And the next 3 cars I open, I have to keep. See, the thing is, I'm cutting too many cars because I don't want to like waste my keep slots. I think I might have burned myself on the GT Racer and the Bone Shaker. The Bone Shaker was a huge loss, at least so far. Who knows? These last couple cars could be amazing. Let's see. All right, car number 8 is, ooh, nice. It is the 2009 mainline HW40. Very nice release. I'm not sure if I have this one in my collection. I might not actually. So this might be a good one. Yeah, I'm just looking at it and I'm just like, I'm not like intimately familiar with this release, so it's probably not in my collection. I'm at a point as a collector now where I have so many cars that I'm like, I could have this. Oh, but I'm not mad about keeping this one. So it all worked out for good old number 8. Car number 9. Oh, what? No, you did not, Skizzy. SkizziBenz. It is a gold Washington Auto Show showstopper. I only have the black one. I don't have the gold one, and it's in the original baggie too. Oh, dude, thank you. Oh, maybe it's good I saved my slots, huh? Oh man, that's a good one. That's a good one. Thank you, Skizzy. Thank you. I'm happy to add that one to my collection. You know what? I'm gonna open the baggie. I'm sorry, Skizzi. I'm sorry. I'm devaluing your nice piece. Well, it's not yours anymore. It's mine now. The gold auto show showstopper, mint condition. Love it, love it, love it. Like to see it. There's the baggie one more time in case you missed it. These, I think these were more limited than the black ones, I believe, because the black ones are easy to come by, but the gold ones not so much. Sick. All right, we got one more. This one better be a banger, because this is my last keep slot. Car number 10, the final frontier, is... All right. I don't even collect Matchbox. You're telling me I gotta give away the Classics Bone Shaker, but I gotta keep the Matchbox 2024 Field Car? Is this fantasy? Yeah, it's called the Matchbox Field Car, so I guess it's technically unlicensed. But I'm just not a huge Matchbox fan. Chat, am I cooked? Well, that's our 5 cuts and our 5 keeps. Biggest win, obviously the showstopper, the treasure hunt road rocket, and dude, that purple passion, heck yeah. Biggest loss, the bone shaker by far, and the GT racer close second. I am glad though that the 2 cars that I already have did get cut, as well as the Star Wars one, which I'm not super interested in. Oh, I wish I could trade the Matchbox for the bone shaker, but I'm a man of my word. Hey, Austin. This is yours now.
That's the same color as my beard. On this episode of Jackass.
Thank you. You're welcome. Actually, you don't have to thank me. Thank SkizziBenz.
Thank you, whatever name that was. Skibbity Toilet.
SkizziBenz.
SkizziBenz.
Hey, Jomo, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
So, of these 4 cars, which one are you interested in, Jomo? There's a GT racer with 5 dots. You probably already have that slingshot, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to go with that GT racer right there.
Yeah.
That one seals the deal. Yeah.
There's a Mystery Models 24/7 and a Star Wars prototype H24.
Yeah. It's between the GT racer and the H24.
You know what, Jomo? You can have both of them.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah. The GT racer was probably the biggest loss. So, for me, that is biggest gain for you.
I see the Diora 2 in the background. He's floating around.
What? You mean the one on the PS2?
Yeah.
Dev.
Yes.
My good friend Dev. Used to be Slingshot Kurt 847. Been to Mattel headquarters with us. How you doing, buddy?
Good. Very warm. It's very hot where I live, so summer's not even here yet, you know? Summer's like supposed to come at the end of June.
So Dev, I know you're a huge Slingshot fan. You're a big Street Breed fan. Do you have the yellow, I think it's a 2022 multi-pack exclusive Slingshot. Do you have this one yet in your collection?
No.
Do you want it?
Yes. Is that even a question?
Yes, it is yours.
The mustard slingshot.
The mustard slingshot.
The mustard slingshot.
Okay, well, it doesn't come from my collection. It comes from SkizziBenz, so...
Thank you, SkizziBenz. I guess I should do a Duke Nukem impression. Thank you, SkizziBenz, for the slingshot.
Damn, I got a free slingshot.
Damn, I went to that Hot Wheels convention and all I got was this stupid shirt.
I also have this Mystery Models 24/7. Do you have one of these?
I do have that one. I actually wheel swapped that one.
Okay, now I guess I gotta find a home for this one.
All right, what's going on, Seth?
Not much. What's up?
I heard you got a kiddo at home that really loves Hot Wheels.
This is true.
Well, this belongs to them now.
No way. Avi, this is for you, buddy.
It's a Hot Wheels 24/7. That's one of the cars I used to grow up with.
Awesome. Thank you, Reese.
Yeah, no problem. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was SkizziBenz's Keep 5, Cut 5 challenge. These are the cars that I have kept here on the right and the cars that I've cut here on the left. The Bone Shaker now belongs to my brother. Thank you so much for watching, and a huge shout out to SkizziBenz for sending this package and choosing me for his fun little challenge. Very creative. Thank you so much, Skizzi, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and take care, guys. Peace out.